Hi friends, welcome to the KIE tutorials. As part of this video, I am going to show you how to send an email using the email work item handler. First step is to go to the custom task administration and select the email and go to your project and install the particular email work item handler. And third step is important guys, concentrate on this one. So there is an parameterized constructor for the email work item handler. First one is the host, and second one is the port, and third one is your email ID, and fourth one is your if it's a email ID password without any security verification, you can give your password. In my scenario, two-step verification is there. That is why I have generated an app password. I am giving that password, and third one is the TLS is true or not. So let's jump into the example. So this is the KI tutorial space. Create on a project. Unit 10 email example. Just save the project. So before that I'll tell you. So this is the email work item handler. An email work item handler. There are parameterized constructors are there. One is with host, port, username and password. The default one will be coming with this one, but we want this host, port, username and password and start TLS. This is the constructor which we want. This is very simple to generate your app password. Go to your Google account security and go to the password section. Here you can find the app passwords. If you go to the app passwords, you can select this name and generate a password for it, and you can note down the password and you can give the same password for this parameterized constructor. So that is what I'm going to do. Go to your project. So first step is to go to the custom task administration section and check whether that email is enabled or not. Yes, email is on. Now go to your respective project, email example, and go to the settings part. Here service tasks. Here you can install the email which is expecting the host name and port name. So this is showing only 4 parameters, but we required 5 parameters. So during the runtime, like after the generation, we can change that one. For now I'm giving something dummy values gmail.com and password some abcd. First let it generate, then save this one, so that under the deployments work item handler category, the email is generated. Now whatever the app password which I have generated and the email ID I want to use, that I have already configured here. Give the same values in the value section. Now just save this one, save this one. Now go to the assets, add an asset, add a business process, email example, click on OK, select your appropriate package and click on OK. Let the editor load, select start. After that go to the service task section. So this is the email task, and end it. That's it. And within the data assignments, see there are these kind of inputs it is expecting. I don't want the attachments, I don't want the BCC, I want the body is Welcome to KIE tutorials. I don't want CC, I don't want debug. I want from. I'm giving my email ID. I don't want the reply to. I want the subject hi from KIE tutorials. I don't want the template, and to also the same mail ID I am giving. There is an option you can send mail from your mail ID to your mail ID only. The same concept I am going to use. Just save this one, and I have given body from subject to. Minimal things I have given, but you can give other things like a template or CC or BCC. Those things you can also give. Now just save this one. Validation is success. Now let us go ahead and deploy this one. Deployment is also successful. Now go to the process definition section and kickstart the email example process. Let it start and let it complete. Yes, process 14 is started successfully. If you go to the process instances section, go to the completed section, and this is the one which is the process variable. WB admin has initiated it, and see the diagram as it has been completed. So how to verify whether the email has been sent successfully or not? I'm logging into my Gmail to verify whether the Gmail is sent or not. So if you see guys, hi from KIE tutorials, and the subject was welcome to KIE tutorials. So the email sent was successful. So this is about the sending an email or configuring the email work item handler guys. So this is the basic setup, just a subject, body, and to and from. You can explore on adding a template or other things you can explore. I think you have liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.